you are going to love the 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.